G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. It's a catch-up video in a sense. Now, the reason why there hasn't been many bushwalking videos coming out lately and gear testing is my car is off the road. It's 26 years old and all the parts I have to order from abroad, from Japan and different places, because you can't buy most of them here in Australia. And the ones you can get from here in Australia are 3-4 times more expensive than the parts I can get from abroad, and they're identical, made in the same factory. So that's why giving you the update. All these smaller little videos I'm making, gear reviews, are of gear I've had sent out to me or bought myself, and there's one here that I haven't used yet. Should have made the video a while ago, but I put it down somewhere and only just found it again a couple of weeks ago, and it's been on the shelf over here, and I just remembered I need to make a video about it. And that's the HDO4 Workhorse. I'd call it similar to like an EDC torch. Yes, got a few functions on it which I'm going to work out and make sure I get it right before I put a video up about it. But what I've seen of it, and just with playing with it, it's a nice little, did they call it a torch or a lamp? No, where are we? No. Anyway, I'll be making a video about this in oncoming weeks. Now, another thing I have been using is the Gen 4 Spot EPIRB. Now, some of you will remember going back years ago, and I've mentioned in some of my videos, that I had to use the Spot, but that's the Gen 2, which I think I've got over here somewhere, and I upgraded to the Gen 4 a few weeks ago. So I'm going to be making a review about that, just explaining to you the basics of it and how the actual tracking system fares walking through the bush. So I have used it and I've got an idea about how and how well it works. So that's another thing I'll be showing soon. This other one I'm actually wearing at the moment, they're Highwell boot length socks. Now this will be the next video I put up, will be about these. They're merino wool, nylon and a spandex and a few other things to them, so I'll say. So that will be coming up the next one. And I know normally I'll do update reviews of my packs and stuff, but this thing here from SilverAnt, yep, it's beside me every single day next to the computer, or even next to my chair when I'm watching the TV. So yeah, I still like it, still going. You can see in the background I've got their coffee mug down here, the insulated coffee mug that I still use most days. So I use it, wash it out, put it back on there. So that's the update. So as soon as I can, fingers crossed, I've got one more part that needs to be ordered and delivered. Now I have to take some more parts off the car, which I can do now because I've got sockets and some of the tools I need to get the parts off to get to this small part. It's just a plug that goes to the crankshaft sensor, but I can't get it off because everything else is in the way. So I'm going to have to get under the car, drop bits off, pull the drive shafts off and everything like that just to get to this one plug. But I need to take a lot of that off to do the main reason I started working on the car. And as I started working on the car, I found that, then I found one here, and I found something else here, and I found something else there, found something else there, and found something else there that needs replacing. So it's just been a snowball. So I'll get the car back on the road hopefully in the next 2 weeks. So as long as that part can get delivered quickly. So then there'll be more videos coming out, back out in the bush, which I'm going crazy about. I just love it out there. And being stuck isn't the best mentally. Don't mind the walking up to the store to grab a sealant for the oil pan. I don't mind walking another 5 kilometers that way, then 5 kilometers back to pick something else up, or 10 kilometers there and back to pick a specific tool up. That's no problem. It's just being stuck in the area and not being able to go for a few hours walk, or do an overnight, or a couple of nights, or a multi-day. But yeah, there will be videos coming soon. So if you're not a subscriber and you want to be kept up with everything that's to come and past videos and future videos, please go down below, click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell next to it and select all, so you can be notified of all future videos. Hit the thumbs up button, the like button, and if you are already a subscriber, again I thank you very much.